How to remove link from WhatsApp profile. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Have you added a social media link to your WhatsApp profile and now want to remove it but don't know how? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. Tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. A menu will appear. Tap Settings. Then you will see your WhatsApp profile name and picture. Simply tap on it. Now tap on the option called Links. As of now, you can only add an Instagram link to your WhatsApp profile. And as you can see, I have added my Instagram profile link to my WhatsApp profile. To remove it, tap on the cross icon on the right side. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about removing the link. Tap on the remove link option and boom! You have successfully removed the social media link from your WhatsApp profile. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.